This conference will now be recorded.
So whatever you can see on the screen, I want you to give the answers. See, you don't have to write down the complete question. Okay, you can just take a screenshot of that. But what I want you to do is I want you to answer. Your answer must be like one um, dot A Petronics, A B Tally solution. So your answer must be like that. Okay, one A so and so, B so and so. If it is B, answer is B, then B. You don't have to write down the questions, but your this must be in that way. Either you can take this picture for your further reference, or you can just read the question. It is not compulsory for you to write. Ignore the GST and TDS part because we have not covered that. And um, apart from that, but what I want you to do is, if for example now the eighth question is a GST question, write as A. Okay, write as eighth, but don't give answer. Then go to the ninth question. Write as eight, don't give the this. Okay. So I want you to, I'm just giving you 10 minutes maximum to finish the exam. It's only like answers. I'm sorry, only one word answers. So you will just do it very fast. So once you're done, put thumbs up, three, four thumbs up, maybe five maximum. Then I will scroll down. Okay. Everybody understood? Thumbs up. Okay. Start doing it. Aishwarya, yes, you're here. Aishwarya, yes, is where is Aishwarya? Yes. She's saying that she's not able to join the class. Maybe she's trying with the old link. Someone please post the new link in the group and ask her to join there. She says I'm not letting her in. Rakshita, you are supposed to give the only answers, what you can see on the screen, give only the answer. 1B tally solutions. So that's how you give the answer for this 10 questions. If there is any GST or TDS based question, ignore them, but put that number. Please share, no, someone, she's asking for the link.
Ma'am, what are we supposed to do? I just joined.
You are supposed to give the answers for the questions you can see on the screen. Give only like uh, 1 dot a dot the answer. That's how you're supposed to give the answer. Just don't write the questions, only the answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you can take a screenshot so that I can just scroll for the people who have done with it. Okay. People who have come now, you can just take a screenshot and so that you can.
Ma'am, 11th question, ma'am.
Oh, that was not seen. Just take on the 11. Just take a screenshot, then I'll scroll down the whole sheet. Plus, um, you give the answer by your way. Just give the shortcut key for delete. Similarly, now if it is GST question, so what we will do is 14 dot, leave it plain, don't do anything. Then go to 15th. Same way 16 dot, just leave place the space. Then go to 17. Okay. If there are no options, you just give the answer. Instead of giving A, B, you just give the answer. Don't write A, B. Please take a screenshot. Everyone do that. I will scroll and then give you 10 minutes to finish your test. Done.
Ma'am, can you show the 16th question? Thank you, ma'am.
See, class, this is already for everything, okay? But then they will give you some questions different ways so that you get confused.
Ma'am, from question 25, can you show, ma'am, please?
35 or 25?
25, ma'am, 20 to 25.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
last is 42 only, no, ma'am?
Sorry, last is?
Last is 42 only, no, ma'am? Or yes, it's there.
I will see it. You're done, David?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, thank you.
Yeah, 42.
Thank you, ma'am.
Aishwarya, yes, joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What was the issue here? You had joined the last, the old link, is it?
No, ma'am. It was a network issue.
Okay. Last 8 more. 50, that's all. Okay, now um, you can just do that. I'll give you 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Don't send in the group until unless I tell. You just do that. Put a thumbs up here. Instead of thumbs up, do it here in the, put it here in the chat. Okay? Just like, what should I do? Put a thumbs up here. Because no, here reaction, what happens, it vanishes. I will not be able to see that. That is why. You should now give the answers like I told. 1 dot A dot Petronics Limited. So somehow something like that. You must do questions for all 50 questions. Now starting only I have told. It's already been so long time. So you have already started. I'm giving you 6:30. I'm seeing here. What is the time? Okay, 6:35. I want most of yours thumbs up here by that time. Okay, do it. If there is no option for a question, then you will just write the answer in a word. How is it going? Anyone, any doubt? You can refer your books. Please don't Google it. Okay, how many of you are done? Hmm? Thumbs up. No one. Fast, fast, fast. Giving you 4 more minutes and then I need to start with GST.
Ma'am, could you scroll to the 33rd question?
One second.
Ma'am, could you show after 26?
Yeah, 1 second. Let her take 33rd, 33, and then go to
Yes, ma'am, you can change. I've taken screenshot.
what 26? Done? Yes, Hirali, this is a class test kind where you need to give options. Just write one A. You can ask any of your friend. You have any friend here? Please ask them for the screenshot they have taken. Else, then maybe one of you can send in the group if you have taken it from the phone, so that she'll get all the questions. So you need to answer them and say thumbs up in the chat once you're done. Okay, done now. I'm going to the next topic. None of you are done. Maybe at the end I will ask you to say now. Okay, everyone, what preparation for GST have you done? I'm just asking you randomly. What is GST?
Goods and service tax.
Goods and service tax. Okay, next. What is GST?
It is the final tax we pay.
Value added taxes. Okay.
Yeah, okay, final tax, indirect tax.
It is a value added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, so all of you are right. Yes, it's an indirect tax, goods and service tax. Indirect tax. It is one tax for all, one tax, one nation. Okay. So why is GST introduced?
To eliminate the cascading effect of taxes and create a unified market.
Very nice. So yes, cascading, that is one under one tax under one tax, one tax under one tax. So to remove all those taxes and make that one. So from the manufacturer to the consumer, one tax. So that is what GST's implementations was. Okay. So please take down your heading as GST. You can see my screen. Yeah, please take down this unified market. Please put a thumbs up once done. Okay. Now, um, so you just read this one. That is what we just discussed. How is it going to benefit the like how is it going to benefit the business? So for business, it'll be easy so that you will not have different tax for different products. Like each one will not have different taxes. Like if you take from one supplier, if you take product X, if it is 5%, then everywhere every supplier will have to give that 5% only. So that's how the same way uniformity. So removal of cascading, that's what one tax under one tax, you pay for one, you pay for the second, third, so that won't be there. You will have good competitions, competitiveness will be called gain to manufacturer to export. So I told from the manufacturer to the business, whatever you get, it will be the same. Next, for how is that help for the government? So it is easier because there is only one tax, so leakage control is this. So higher revenue efficiency means for sure that this particular amount will be there for the government, and for the consumer, for us it will be like we know that this product is this percentage, so the they don't have they cannot put more tax on a particular product which isn't. Same way it is overall as the percentage is the same, we will not have like the shopkeeper taking more tax from us, so that is not possible. Just read it. You don't have to.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of cascading?
It's one under one. What you say now, in one Google soft like Chrome, you can add so many different windows, right? So one window under one window, one window under one window, just cascading. That means you'll have so many tags, one tags, different tags to pay for one product.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, what are the types in GST? Salon is not required. It's just based on. I'll explain you this. Yeah, but first then we'll come to this. So CGST, SGST, and IGST, that is Central GST, State Tax, and Integrated Tax. So when your customer and you both are in the same state, for example, your customer is in Mysore and you're in Bangalore. So we will have to give this, that is CGST and SGST. You will have two taxes. I mean, the tax percentage will be same, but it will be divided into two, CGST and SGST. In case your customer is in different state and you are in different state, for example, you are in Karnataka and your customer is in Andhra Pradesh, then you will have to give IGST, integrated tax. So if it is 18% for interstate, sorry, intrastate, you will give that is your within the state, it will be CGST, SGST, it will be 9%, 9%. 9% CGST and 9% SGST. And in case you are of different, your customer is in a different state, then it will be 18% IGST. Okay, so the amount of the tax deducted will be the same, but the way it is deducted will be different. Please take this. You don't have to write down these two sentences, okay? Just write down like stands for central GST, state GST, integrated GST. Okay, you don't have to. When you want, you write, but therefore intra and interstate, I have further explanation, so you can write that. Okay, so intrastate, you can see that both the customer and the supplier, that is the customer and the supplier will be of the same state, then it will be CGST and SGST, that is intrastate. Please write down intrastate hyphen within the state. Intrastate within the state. When both when both the customer and the customer and the supplier I can say business and the supplier will be of the same state, it is intrastate transaction. Next, next, interstate, when both the supplier and the place of supply is between the state, in bracket you can write down different states, there will be interstate transaction.
Ma'am, once can you write the PDF for 42, ma'am? Previous
Go
one,
home.
ma'am.
Who are you?
Only one.
I'll do it later. I told you, no, I'll do it. You're still stuck there only. I'm doing GST from past 20 minutes. I told you at the end I will show you again once, no?
And in GST only, ma'am, 42 slide.
Slide, you
Previous
see.
one.
I thought you were asking about uh, your question number 42. One second. So I told you. Hmm. Oh, I did not see the number there.
You can change, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Don't mind, huh? I thought you were talking about the question. Okay. Coming about the invoicing part, when it is with the tax, that is with the GST tax, we call them as tax invoice. And when it is supply, that is when it is without tax, or when it is services, goods and services, right? We tell them as bill of supply. Take down this. Please take down this. Done. Okay, now coming to the part of GST registration. So how what a registration is? So you are supposed to do the registration for your business. Okay, so for see this GST when introduced, so there were already business running, right? Now that all GST, all companies has the GST. This before you were supposed to register wait, when did GST come into exist? Which year, which month? Am I muted?
July 1st, 2017, ma'am.
Anybody else? Nobody else. Nobody else served. Yes, Monica. It is July 1st, 2017. So previous than that, we had so many other businesses, right? So then how were they? How is the registration process done? Application. Okay, yeah. So you will give your application verification. So there is an application form which you'll have to fill. All the verification, that is your PAN, mobile number, email address. If everything is verified and it is yes, then the application number you will get, that is the acknowledged. Then you will get another form, okay, application reference number and the required documents to be submitted. Then you get an acknowledgement to that. If details are complete, then yes, you get the certificate of registration. If there are no, okay, if it is not within 3 working days from the due, so if it is not no, then you get another additional, like what details is required, why is it rejected and all. So all those additional details you will have to give, and once all is satisfactory, then again you get your certificate registered, or else it will be rejection. So these are the things what you need to do for your registration. Now about the registration number. So it is a 15-digit registration number. As I had told you to collect few bills, you might have seen on that. It is a 15-digit registration number, which says the first two is the state code. This means the state code or different states. Okay, so 29 Karnataka, 33 Tamil Nadu. So such way from one you will have those state codes for this every state. So that too will be according to your business. Which state your business is, that code you will get. And then will be your, that is the proprietor's PAN number. Okay, and then will be a entity code, that is according to your business you will get one code. Then will be a blank digit is just a one alphabet. Initially it was only Z, and then B it started. Now various other alphabets they are taking. And this is the check digit according to your turnovers or your this, you will have one check digit for your code. So this is the 15 GST number which you will have. This will be a unique identity number. It will be because you know that PAN numbers are different from each individual. So basically, even though state code, entity, blank, digit are all same, your PAN numbers cannot be same. So you will have difference in the PAN number. Okay, please take down this. You don't have to take down these things. Okay, Just take down a structure of GST registration number and take down this. Okay, now I will just tell you one example for this GST number. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is here. So you can just try. No, I will tell you. I will tell you one. It's a little confusing. Do not. Now here you can see in PAN number. If you have handy, you can just see your PAN card. You will have 5 alphabets, 4 numbers, and 1 alphabet. Okay, so that's how your registration number also will be there. Just tell you, write down 2929. You write, you can just follow the mouse. 29 A A A A A. 5 times A. Then you write 1111. 4 times 1, and again A. Entity code, write down 1. Blank code, write down Z. Check digit, write down 1. I'll say the number again. 29 A A A A A 1111 A 1 Z 1. Yes, everyone got it? Okay. Thumbs up, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to see you're awake. Rakshita MY, what is that you did not understand?
Ma'am,
Hari,
by mistake, I'm sorry.
okay. Hari, you have doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's tax stock final amount rather than individual amount. I'm just seeing the messages. Okay. Okay. Now, I have a few um, assignments for you. Okay, today. Now, don't tell me, ma'am, you told you won't give assignment and all that. That's because I want you to collect some information before we start practically. Okay, that is not exactly all. Okay, what are those is first thing is I want you to okay, before I tell you the assignment now, when I said GST registration, you can sell products, one tax, one thing, one product, same tax for all products, different products, same tax, and all that I told, right? Now, when it comes to product, name as product, so that is what you're going to sell or purchase, right? So, for that product, there is something called HSN, Harmonized Synchronized Nomenclature, which means a unique identity code for all products. Like each product will have different product code, so those product codes will have different uh, percentage, that is rate of percentage. So I want same way you have a service accounting code, that is SAC for services. So basically we will concentrate on HSN only. So what I want you to do is I want you to give me 10 products with the different HSN codes and the percentage for that particular code. Okay, I will give you an example like HSN code for paneer will be 0406. Okay, and the GST will be 5%. Did you understand? So like this, I want you to give different codes with different percentage. So I want all 5, 12, 18, 28, all percentage, different product. Yes, I said paneer. Okay. So for different codes, it is not compulsory for you to have food products or for you to have electronics. So I want you to have different. We will do 20 products class. I want 20 products, which includes electronics, which includes food items, which includes um, what is your commercial items. Okay, different in electronic items only you have different products, like so different codes. Same way you stationery items, and then you can also have these cosmetics. Okay, so I want you to have 20 products, put them in table, 20 products, 20 HSN numbers, and 20 percentage. See, 5%, 25%, you will have 4 5 products. That's okay. Okay, same, so, but don't have all 20 products of 5% or all 20 products of 18%. Like that, I don't want. 5 6 of same percentage, it's okay. Because like electronics, most of that you will have 28 18 only. So that's okay. Okay. Now, that is one assignment. Okay, so the second assignment is for the people who have not done, like I asked you to do the bills. Okay, to get 4 bills, two of IGST and sorry, two of intrastate and two of interstate. People who have not got, please try getting it by tomorrow, so that you will have handy of your GST numbers for practice. So what happens? The wrong GST number, the tally shows that it is wrong. So when we go to GST reports, no, it will be an invalid repeat. So you try having this only, that is your GST numbers only. Okay, so that is why I asked you for 4 bills. So that you give 4, we can exchange. Okay, that is the second point what I wanted to tell. Something else I wanted to. Okay, before tomorrow's, no, don't do like today. Usually in the class, what you do, you open tally. No, don't open tomorrow until unless I tell. That is in the class with me only, because we'll be creating a new company tomorrow with the GST. Okay, so you will not create before the class, or you will not open it as you do it daily in the, I mean, daily classes. Okay, tomorrow we will have different this only, so that your accounting part will be different and this taxing part you'll have different company, so that you will not mix both of them. But it's not that we'll do again payment, purchase, and all here similarly. We will be doing that, but in a little different way. And we will have the flow will be a little faster than the previous. Like we used to do one voucher and give you time to do, because now you're already used to. We will have a little fast flow. So you don't understand, yes, we will stop there. I will make you understand, but yes, we will do the same thing, but with GST. We will do purchase, but with GST. We will do sales with GST. We'll see the reports with GST. Okay, so that is what. One. Okay, now who all have completed the test? Thumbs up. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I'll stop the recording.